Zinamola update for the Daycare project. Things are going great.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're still unloading the truck and they have to go back and bring me another 250. It's 500 cement blocks start. Fourth, this is the Zinamola group. Our project moves on for our daycare center. So we just want to give you an insight of what we're doing. This is Suleiman, the engineer who is operating this entire project for us. All right, what are we looking at, Suleiman?
Okay, here is the main entrance
Yes.
in the house.
Mm-hmm.
When you go into the house, we have a small office of Zinamola management.
Okay,
Yeah.
Zinamola
This is the
management.
door of Olive office.
Yes.
Also, this is a sitting area,
Okay.
sitting room. And here we have a bedroom for the children. The main door of bedroom is here.
For the children to be sleeping or hanging out.
Yeah.
Okay.
We put about 6 to 10 small beds. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. We're moving right along. We're moving right along. Zinamola, the walls are going up, and everybody's working steadily. Trucks. I just got 400 more cement blocks. We'll see what this is going to look like in a couple of weeks. Thank you for your donations.